What's up, mi amigo? Buenos días. Muchas gracias. Que bueno salud. Nos vemos. It's Carmos on the mix with Engineer Abayon, Cebuano vlogger. Shout out natin dito tayo sa Washington Shuttle Space Needle. And then shout out nato ang mga followers, okay? Meron bagong followers sa Tagalog. Ilagay niyo yung button diyan na follow so we can follow, okay? Salamat sa comment. And shout out Buhay ni Pedro, Pitchways, Jubin Genosas, Cagayan de Oro, Sabkina, Jurap, Sabkina Fun World, Amazing Fun World. What else? Larisay, Jessica Abayon. What else? Junar Daway, murag si Jamal Moray. Sa pagilain. So nata sa Space Needle, ibabaw ay 700 feet away from the ground. Away from the ground.
Yeah, 750 feet.
So nata sa taas at delivery to ni Engineer Abayon. Salamat bro. Modelo beer. So, hope you have have a fine day there, guys. Pilipinas, no? Especially mga friends natin dyan. Pamilya natin, Moreno family, Pusura family, Lim family, and Abayon family. Hello! Shout out sa inyo dyan at saka dito tayo sa taas, 700 feet from the ground. Shuttle Space Needles. Pwede pala kahit ng beer makabili tapos inom-inom lang. Parang limited lang siguro, isang baso lang siguro. Kasi magdadrive pa tayo pa highway. Try natin makaligo ng daming mga beach nila dyan, guys. Mga tingnan mo, yung blue dyan. Ano yan tubig yan Makatampisaw tayo mga 1 hour lang, okay na. Kasi walang dagat sa amin sa New Mexico At saka guys, yung para ma-follow ko kayo, lagyan nyo ng follow button. Yung iba wala kasi. Ano lang tayo, friend, wala. Lagyan nyo follow, ilagay nyo public lahat, may follow yan na button dyan. Punta kayo sa settings, sa profile, as public, ilagay sa public yung settings nyo sa Facebook para lalabas yung ads name FB Meta. Okay, tulungan na tayo guys, no? Yes, Carmors, so like and subscribe. Uy, pa-shoutout pala si Noel Salinda. Shout out. Yung cousin ko sa tagang Canada, Irwin Tito Jr. Shout out bay. Yung pamilya ko dyan, yung kuya ko, Jopel, Janon, Gio, Janice, Joanne, lahat ng mga friends natin dyan, mga kabars natin sa Liceo de Cagayan University, Manong's Basketball, Socorro Warriors Basketball, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Shout out natin dyan. Mahal Barte, Gitoy, Aknas, Bors, Ibora, on the mix. Sa pa yun?
What's that? Here.
Lore Isay Channel, Lore Isay Channel. Subscribe. Okay guys, hope you enjoy your weekend guys. Weekdays guys. Today is Monday. Monday na dito Ayun, July 8 yata. Washington, pag-uwi natin pa tayo may Montana, Wyoming at saka Colorado and New Mexico yung target natin biyahe bukas, okay? Alright guys, ganda-ganda dito guys, grabe. Hope you have time guys, punta kayo dito guys One of the recommended spot natin, Seattle Space Needle. Please come and visit Seattle. It's downtown Seattle, please careful lang kayo sa pag-drive kasi grabing exit, grabing entrance exit, grabe. Nakakahilo dito, sobra pa to sa Chicago
Where's the water here? You have the water here.
Sa tayo parang budo to budo.
Dad. What you order here?
I didn't order. Order there. Order water and order what you want.
You,
Okay.
you help me order water.
There's mom there. Go.
Where's the pee? Mom not there. Oh, no, mom there.
Go. Order. Mira na ba? Alright, buenos días, muchas gracias, mi amigos, buenos salud, nos vemos. Alright, please like and subscribe, Carmors. May video tayo sa labas eh, may video na tayo kanina, i-upload ko lang yun, okay? Alright, bye-bye, God bless everyone, and take care, and always eyes on the road, not on the wow legs. Yay! Bye-bye!